Most people hear AI agent and imagine a robot in a suit managing your calendar, replying to emails, booking flights, running your business, and maybe judging your life choices on the side. Sounds futuristic, but the basic idea is simpler. An AI agent is an AI system that can understand a goal, make a plan, use tools, and take steps to complete a task. But here's the real question. If normal AI only answers you, what changes when AI starts acting for you? Think about ChatGPT as a smart assistant that responds when you ask something. You ask, it answers. You ask again, it answers again. But an AI agent is more like giving someone a mission. Instead of saying, write me a travel plan, you might say, find me a cheap weekend trip, compare hotels, check flight options, create an itinerary, and save everything in a document. A normal chatbot gives advice. An AI agent tries to move toward an outcome. The key difference is action. A chatbot mostly talks. An agent can decide the next step. It can use tools, search information, call APIs, read documents, send messages, update records, create files, or trigger workflows, depending on what permissions you give it. That permission part matters. An AI agent without limits is not smart innovation. It is a disaster waiting for a password. A simple example is a personal productivity agent. You tell it, help me prepare for tomorrow's meeting. A basic AI chatbot may give you general tips, but an AI agent could check your calendar, read the meeting notes, summarize the previous emails, prepare talking points, create a task list, and remind you before the meeting. It is not just answering, it is coordinating different steps toward a goal. A small case study is customer support. Traditional chatbots answer fixed questions like, what are your opening hours? But an AI agent can do more. If a customer says, my order is late, the agent can understand the issue, check the order status, look at delivery updates, explain the delay, offer refund options, or escalate the case to a human. That is why businesses are interested in agents. They do not just reduce typing, they reduce repetitive decision-making. But here's the serious warning. AI agents are powerful only when the task is clear, the tools are reliable, and the permissions are controlled. If the agent misunderstands the goal, uses bad information, or takes action without proper checks, it can create real problems. Imagine an AI agent booking the wrong flight, sending the wrong email, deleting important data, or giving a customer a false refund promise. The more action you give AI, the more responsibility you need around it. Historically, AI agents are not a brand new idea. Researchers have talked for decades about intelligent agents, systems that perceive their environment, make decisions, and take actions. But the recent explosion happened because large language models became good enough to understand human instructions, use digital tools, and connect with apps. That turned the old agent idea into something ordinary people and businesses can actually use. So in one simple line, an AI agent is an AI system that does not just respond to prompts. It works toward a goal by planning steps, using tools, and taking actions. A chatbot answers. An agent acts. And that difference is small in wording, but massive in impact. Welcome back to the AI Studio, where we make artificial intelligence simple, visual, and slightly less painful. But now comes the next question. If chatbots and AI agents both use AI, then what is the real difference between a chatbot that only talks and an agent that can actually get things done?